So today I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on a Mac. So the first thing to do is open up a web browser and search for Roblox. So I'm just typing in Roblox download and then click on the hyperlink. And then the little blue box here in the center, we're going to click on download Mac app. We're going to select allow. And now we need to go to our downloads folder. So we're going to take the shortcut and click on the arrow key and then double click the DMG file. Now we're going to have to double click the icon again in this pop-up box. And we'll select open. And now Roblox is going to do a quick install. And now we've got a little pop-up. We're going to click allow access to our download folder. And now Roblox wants us to either create an account or sign in. So if you've already got an account, you can skip this. I didn't have an account, so I'm going to create one. And then I'm going to do the verification that I had to do for creating a new account. It's just a simple puzzle. And once you have that completed, you're actually in Roblox. It's asking here now, do we want personalized ads? So I just selected ask later. And now I'm going to search for a game. So this is how you would install a game. Search for the game you want. In my case, it's Rivals, which is a popular FPS game on Roblox. And then all you got to do to install is just click on the play button. Click on allow. If you want to allow access to your network. For me, I didn't. I click don't allow. And now the game is installing. And here we go, loading up and in. And that's us into Rivals. So thanks very much for watching. And if you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials for gaming on Mac, give us a wee like and a subscribe.